Yo, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to Pop That Box. My name is Mike, and today I have a mystery box for you from Chalice Collectibles. And after that, we will find out who won the New Year's giveaway. Welcome to POV mode. YouTube, I accidentally deleted the sound file for this post, so this is take 2. Luckily, I did not shoot the giveaway draw yet because I wanted to show the draw in POV mode. And since I already popped that box, here are the pops from Chalice Collectibles Christmas Mystery Box. So here are all the pops, YouTube. The first one is Dark Magician. He's from the animated series Yu-Gi-Oh! Number 595. The Mandalorian. This is only a GameStop exclusive. Number 408. Mr. Compress. He's from the animated series My Hero Academia, number 820. And this one is a shared NYCC 2020. Dwight Schrute as Recyclor. He's from the TV show The Office, and his number is 1041. Scaramouche, number 836. I got this pop in a previous mystery box, but this one is a Toy Tokyo exclusive. Here is one last look at all the pops from Chalice Collectibles Christmas Mystery Box. Now let's find out who won the New Year's giveaway. All of your names are in this heart stack, so let's find out who won the New Year's giveaway. Get money, JJ. Looks like you got the money, JJ. I will message you after I'm done filming this post, and we will find out what you won. Alright, YouTube, well that's all the pops I have for you today. Which one was your favorite? My favorite has got to be the Dark Magician, because I did not have him in my Yu-Gi-Oh! Collection. And if you want to see me pop more mystery boxes, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification button so you can get notified when I upload another mystery box unboxing. I would like to thank all of the participants of this giveaway, because without you, I would be talking to myself right now. Thank you again for watching. Have a great day, stay safe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.